Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Pinterest to YouTube. So without any further delays, let's get right into it. So first, I have to open my Pinterest app, which is right here. And you can see all these pictures on Pinterest, and on the bottom right corner there's a clickable button. I'm going to tap it there, and we see there's a pins and boards, and on the top right corner there's a setting. I tap it and I'm going to click on the third, which is edit public profile, and we just landed on our profile, and we see here my name, last name, username, and on the last there's a website. So we simply have to open YouTube, and just I'm going to tap on share, and in copy link I copy just a video. And let's go back to the Pinterest, and we see here's a website option, so I'm going to paste it right here. And we could see on the top right corner there's a done button, so I'm going to tap on done. And we could see my profile has been updated, and here's this website on bottom of my name, so I'm going to tap it there. So we see we just landed to the video that we copied and pasted to our Pinterest account. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if you have any queries for it.